for a good deed, they say, is gratitude. UNWU Ekumenyi Christian Union has moved to the altar of God for her annual Thanksgiving service to God for a successful inauguration of the Union Executive and to bring them together to fight a just cause of unity among UNWU Ekumenyi sons and daughters in Ebonyi State and beyond. The National President of UNWU Ekumenyi Christian Union, Reverend Dr. Joseph Mbam, expressed his feeling in an interview and said that the union has come to restore the peace among children of Ekumenyi and advised the members of the union to work for the progress of the union and as well urged the members to vote according to their conscience in the 2023 general election, as the election is not based on political party one belongs to, according to one's capacity and competence, to restore the peace and unity of the nation.
It was a good success. A lot of people came. We are social, religious group established for unity, for peace and coexistence of this UNWU Ekumenyi, children of Ekumenyi that came from one father about 400 to 500 years ago. There was a man called Ekumenyi who gave birth to this four clans we call UNWU Ekumenyi today. We are not a political nor pressure group. What we are is to organize ourselves into one body, to realize that we descended from one father. Therefore, no fighting, no separation, no land dispute. All the lands, 75% of Ebonyi State land mass belongs to UNWU Ekumenyi. So let us realize that this UNWU Ekumenyi, Izza, Uecu, Izhi, and Ngbo came from one father. Of advice to all UNWU Ekumenyi Christian Union members. One, I believe that each and every one of them has gotten their PVC. Otherwise, it is becoming too late if they have not. Let them go before it closes. But on the days of election, that is 25th February and 11th March, let them come out in mass and vote according to their conscience. No bribery, no thuggery, no selling or buying of votes. Let them know that their voting is their power. Failure to vote is failure to allow anybody to rule us, and we shouldn't allow godless people to rule us. Let us vote, and then according to our conscience, not according to politics. Let us vote personalities at this time. If you are in APC, you can vote somebody in PDP if you know that the other person that is in the other party is more credible or will rule us better than the one that is in your own party. We're all allowed to belong to any party. This time our vote counts. INEC is doing everything possible to make sure that our voting counts.
Also, the vision bearer of the union, Pastor Paul Philip Chidebere, who is also doubles as the minister in the program, said that God has power over everything on earth, and they have come to thank God for his good work among Ekumenyi children, for bringing them together.
A thanks-worthy God, Chineke kwesịrị ekele. A thanks-worthy God. Achọrọ m ihe ka anyị ọkụ ụzọ eto mmadụ na-emeso onye na-eme ihe ọma. Agbata ndị ọbụla ndị eme ihe ọma. N'obodo ụzọ 3 ways ị ga-eji mfe ọmụ ụgwọ. Number 1 bụ ịbịasị Paul ìdíje ìdílé mọ́ ìdílé ọ̀gbọ́n bàbá láṣẹ ilé ìdíje that's number 1. Number 2 Bíbélì fún àti màkìbọ̀ máa tẹ̀. Àti fún àwọn ọ̀tún tó máa tẹ̀. Ìlẹ̀ àkọlẹ̀ bíbélì rẹ̀ ìka kọ́ ẹ̀ lóòtù ẹ̀ka àkàkẹ́ àwọn ẹ̀ka àkọ́kọ́. Àwọn ẹ̀ka àkọ́kọ́. The other response one day we go to Vanki Yakro, the Ibonian. But I is Chile not the or the many ways.
The best way to bring an end to this mutual bloodshedding is through prayer, through preaching the gospel, through advocacy. So that was what gave birth to Ekumenyi Christian Union. And they came together, elected their leaders and their executive committee.
I saw unity in practical terms, and I also see the glory. The Bible says that the temple of Solomon, that he saw the glory of God. We all saw the glory of God today. So we are all happy and we thank God and pray for more of this kind. And to unite the 8 local governments that belong to UNWU Ekumenyi, so that those who said we are majority fools will now see us in different dimensions.
Wow. You're wonderful name, sir.
Thank you. I am Reverend Dr. Nick Mapapa.
Thank you so much.
Chairman of the planning committee. Thank you and God bless you.
Thank you for
The Thanksgiving, which took place in Nigeria Reformed Church at Ebonyi State capital, recorded a huge turnout of the members of Ekumenyi sons and daughters across the board. Service could be described as a call to serve in one unionism. There was a series of activities ranging from the prayer for the nation and the Ebonyi State and the Ekumenyi sons and daughters, as that's why the choir who entertained the congregation in the church.
From today forward, Ebonyi will experience peace because UNWU Ekumenyi has risen not to fall again in Jesus' name. One thing that we are always assured is this, that the gates of power shall never prevail against your kingdom. Lord has always made
To subscribe to this channel, The Mirror TV on YouTube, The Mirror on Facebook, The Mirror TV on Twitter. Subscribe and follow us, as we shall be giving you updates of the activities here in Ebonyi State and across the globe. For advert placement or sponsorship, call the number showing on the screen or email us at Mbam